Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll teach you the second part in this examination series. We almost every time get the topic as scenes, and which is a most common scene which we get usually in the exams is underwater scene. So today I'll teach you how to make an underwater scene, for which we will create first the stones. So I am making a very simple shape for the stones, and after making some stones we'll make the plants inside it, so coral basically. So I'm making these leaves. And I can add a few more stones. Very simple. Okay, now after that what we will do is the most important part in the underwater scene is I'm making a very simple underwater scene. For that what we need to do is we need to make some fishes. So to make the fishes, it's a very simple shape. Now here I am making another fish. I'm taking it like this. I'm giving it a shape. Very simple. I mean, you don't have to think a lot while making these fishes. And we have to create some fins here. Okay. Now and some fins here. Okay. I'm making jellyfish. Very simple way to create a jellyfish. I'll make one more. So basically a very simple drawing. I'm doing it. Now it's not necessary that we have to make all the fishes going here. We will make some fishes on the other side also. So I'm making one more very basic and a simple fish. You can add any number of sea animals inside it. You can create some bubbles coming out of their mouth. Okay. Now what we can do is, you can see a few more, we can show a few waves in the water to just fill the area. And I will teach you a different style to do water. I will do that also. That how to do a water in a very different style. I'll just teach you that also. So these are a few waves which I have created. Okay. And in my previous videos we have already learned how to do shading and coloring. I'll take it in a faster mode. Okay, now we have colored the whole area. Now what we will do is I have taken the broken oil pastels which I have, and I will teach you a new method to color this whole area in a very beautiful way. Now what I am doing is I am starting with the pink color. You have to just keep the color like this and you have to give the shade. I'm starting with the pink color. I'll take the light blue color. Then I'm taking a dark blue color. I'm giving the effects basically, and purple color. So in that case, and we will again repeat that. It will give us the effect of the waves. To give it a stylized effect, what I am doing is I am just using different shades of blue in it. And yes, we have to overlap it with these on these objects so that it gives a complete effect. I hope you like this video. Do practice it and share it on my Insta page. And of course, not to say, just subscribe the channel. Bye everyone, take care, stay safe and stay happy.